In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit content of a campaign in Brevo. This is a quick process, and it is useful anytime you need to update text, swap an image, or make small design changes before sending your email. Start by looking at the left sidebar in Brevo. Click Campaigns to open the campaign area where your drafts and past sends are managed. This is the main hub for creating and editing email campaigns, so it is the best place to begin when you want to change content. Next, click Email. This filters your campaigns to email campaigns specifically, which makes it easier to find the draft you want to work on. Take a moment to locate the campaign that is still in draft status, since that is typically where you will be making edits before anything is sent. When you find the draft you want to update, click Edit next to that campaign. This opens the campaign setup so you can access the design and content editor. Make sure you are selecting the correct draft, especially if you have multiple versions with similar names. Once you are inside the campaign editor, look to the left side and click the pencil icon. The pencil icon is the entry point for making changes, and it brings you into the editing workflow for the campaign. Now in the design section, click Edit Content. This takes you into the email builder, where you can directly adjust what your audience will see. At this point, it helps to move slowly and verify each change as you make it, since even small edits can affect formatting. To make updates, click any block in the email. Blocks can contain text, images, buttons, or other elements. When you click a block, you can replace text, adjust wording, or choose a different image. Aim for clear, readable text, and ensure images match the message and branding. If you are editing text, check spacing and line breaks so the email stays easy to scan. When you are finished with your edits, click Save and Quit. This saves your changes and exits the editor, so your updated draft is ready for the next step in your campaign process. And that is all there is to it.